Hi Libra! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Thank you so much, Libra. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and tap the bell for notification from this channel. Tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari sa inyong love life or sa inyong romantic situation. Libra, ano yung mga energies and messages for Libra? Merong camera. Reminiscing, keepsake, perception, learn from the past, make memories. Okay, so naaalala ninyo yung person ninyo, nagre-reminisce ka ng inyong mga memories, okay, ng inyong pagsasama, or inyong samahan, okay. You are learning lessons from the past experiences, past relationship, okay. Wedding rings. Union, wedding, marriage, soul connection, eternal love, everlasting promise. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are in union with someone, okay? Na para sa inyo, that you have a soul connection with. Okay? Wedding rings. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, ikakasal. Okay? Kiss on a ring, many options, decision, unconventional, string along, one night stand. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you have to make a decision. May kailan kayong pagdesisyonan. May mga options kayo na tinitingnan at the same time, okay? Yung iba ay mayroong one night stand. Paradise, happiness, expansion, joy, playfulness, oneness, enjoying each other. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are enjoying each other's company. Okay? You feel the joy and happiness with someone. Merong playfulness. Okay? Libra. Love and romance. Love, relationship, and romantic situation for Libra. Anong nangyayari? Excuse me. Yeah, for some of you, Libra, okay, you are worried about something, about the situation ninyo. Yeah, there is moving on. Okay. You are thinking about a solution. You are going to make a decision. Okay. Meron kayong kailangan pag-isipan at pagdesisyonan. Okay. Merong gumugulo sa utak ninyo. You are worried. Okay. Yeah. So, tingnan natin yung 6 of Cups. Yeah. For some of you, namimiss kayo ng person ninyo, naalala yung mga dating memories, ang inyong mga pinagsamahan, okay? Hindi alam ng person ninyo kung anong gagawin sa situation ninyong current or present situation ninyo, okay? So, may kailangan din siyang gawin na action or decision sa part niya, okay? But maybe your person is not connecting or communicating with you. He or she is holding back. Okay? Yeah. You feel that you are rejected, okay? Or merong rejection sa situation ninyo, Libra, okay? Or your person, you feel that your person is feeling rejected. So, just take what resonates for you. Minsan baliktad, okay? Take what resonates and leave the rest pag hindi para sa inyo, okay? 6 of Cups. Yeah. Okay. So, naisip, naalala kayo ng inyong person. They love you. Okay. Yeah. Parang ikaw yung best friend niya. Naalala niya yung mga memories ninyong dalawa. Yung mga sweet moments. Okay. Bakit may 5 of Swords? Yeah. So, your person, hindi alam kung mag-move on ba siya or hindi. Okay? Yeah. Parang naguguluhan, no? Kailangan ng clear mind ng person ninyo, Libra. Kung anong tamang gawin sa sitwasyon or sa sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. He or she is thinking about moving on or conflicted din siya. Okay? Conflicted siya sa kanyang situation. Kung mag-hold on in your relationship or mag-move forward, maybe he or she is thinking about taking a trip or travel. Okay? Para makapag-isip ng maayos to clear his mind, okay, or her mind. Four of Pentacles. Yeah, Knight of Wands. So, parang nasi-stress din yung person ninyo. Nag-iisip siya kung kukontak, makipag-communicate pa sa inyo or hindi. Pero nag-hold back siya. So, why holding back? Parang nahihirapan din siya. Okay? Na walang communication. Hindi ganun kadali din sa part ng person mo. Okay? To communicate with you. Five of Pentacles. Yeah. So, merong rejection. Parang hindi sure about sa future or sa susunod ng gagawin. Not sure about commitment. Okay? Someone is rejected or you feel rejected, Libra. Okay? Because merong disgrace the Hierophant, and 5 of Pentacles. Disgrace or hindi magandang nangyari. Okay? May problema or scandal, disgrace na nag-cause ng rejection. Okay? Rejection ng person nyo sa inyo or it's the other way around. Okay? May questions about morality or righteousness. Okay? You feel sad. Yeah. Disgraceful na behavior in a committed relationship. Okay? Kaya merong rejection. So you feel that you need to put effort para magkaayos kayo ng person ninyo. Okay? Merong Page of Swords. Okay. No communication at all. That's the challenge. Merong stalking and spying kung anong ginagawa ng isa or anong mga ganap. Okay. Getting information about your person or getting information about you. Okay. What is this Page of Swords? Page of Swords, yes, getting information and spying kung anong nangyayari sa inyo or it's the other way around, kung anong nangyayari sa person mo. Okay? Yeah. Looking for some truths. What is this 10 of Cups? 10 of Cups. Yeah, 4 of Cups. Okay. Yeah, so merong hindi pag-uusap. Stuck ang relationship. Okay? For some of you. Because of this no communication, hesitation, or holding back. Okay. Yeah, so in this situation, parang kailangan nyo mag-come up into a solution kung paano ibalik yung dati, yung trustworthy, yung trust, okay, and respect at the same time, respect. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin yung Justice. Yeah. So, parang ngayon dysfunctional. Okay? Dysfunctional ang sitwasyon or ang relationship. Okay? No communication. Stuck. Tingnan natin. Ano tong Justice for Libra? Yeah. 3 of Pentacles. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. So, kailangan ayusin ang mali or kung merong wrongdoings na nangyari. So, make an effort to right the wrong. Okay? Para ayusin. Merong pagkakaayos kung gugustuhin. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Justice, do what is right. Libra, kung anong sa tingin ninyo ang tama. If you want to work out, if you want to work on the relationship, para kung gusto mong ayusin yung situation, because merong dysfunctional, merong stuck, merong hindi gumagalaw, okay, because of miscommunication. Alright? So, let's see hidden truths from your person. Just take what resonates for you, Libra. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate, but these are the energies. Depende sa inyong situation. Sometimes, baliktad, okay? Libra. My life is not as together as it seems. Hidden truths from your person. You and I were too young. I want to feel that way again. Okay. Message, advice. Honor the place in one another where you are eternal soul, for there you will find true peace. Okay. Reflection. Give each other some space at the moment. Trust and have faith that all will work out for the best. Okay. And merong forgiveness. Stop focusing your energy on past events, for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality by what you think, dream, and imagine. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Libra. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!